Hello there and welcome again to the World of Wonders. Thank you so much for viewing all our past videos and traveling with us as we drive around Scotland, and today we will be visiting the Stirling Castle. So sit down, relax and enjoy the tour as we go and see the magnificent castle, which was a wedding present to a queen. So where are we?
Stirling Castle.
No one is.
It's got the King's rooms, it's got the Queen's rooms, it's all done up as it might have looked in the 1540s. To access that, you're going through that archway there. That'll take you into a small square called the Lion's Den. You'll get that up from there. Up through the archway there in the corner, that'll take you up into another bigger square, the inner close. And from there you can get to more royal buildings. You've got the chapel straight across. It's big space, it's the biggest great hall in Scotland. So what's for Castle Pub Great Halls? They're not bigger than that.
I was going to ask you, like, see this one here?
Yeah. No. They are more, they were, for a start, they're ship guns. They're from boats. So they've been put there to show you where guns would be. Underneath the cannons, underneath that grass verge, you have the kitchens, medieval kitchens, so you can access that from down there to the blue sign is there. And then you've got the north gate down here. That's got some of the oldest stonework in the castle, 1381. You can go through that and you're into the backyard of the castle, the Nether Bailey. You've got another wall walk down there, and you've also got a tapestry studio down there, where a number of the tapestries you'll see in the palace, they were woven down there for the day.
We then walked into a room documenting the royal lineage of Scotland, with the youngest king being 6 years old at the time of taking the throne.
just it's
Yeah.
it's
Like gives you a guide of how where we're going. Yeah.
That shows that inside there. This one was all about this area.
Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah. And that's the inside there. The
Yeah.
house of the castle.
Yeah.
This one, I'm not too sure about this.
Okay, no worries, let's get going then. Seems like there's a lot of other things.
Yeah, I think we need to get down there as well.
In this room, skeletons of 2 warriors have been scientifically modified to create a replica of what they would actually look like today. Oh, to look like there's fire, like in the olden days it would be like fire horses.
Oh yes. Okay.
And while you're traveling around Scotland, these are foot stop, I think.
Right. Okay.
As much information as possible.
Absolutely.
So it would be beneficial like over people like yourself.
Okay.
They gave us information earlier on about stuff down there. Now they said land there now.
Yes.
What you can use to inspire you? What was that?
So this is the Lion's Den. This is the courtyard in the Palace of King James V. Dates back to the 16th century. It's completed around about 1543. The building itself was more as a French chateau in the middle of Scotland. James V and his queen, who was from a French noble family. The Lion's Den here, so called, might have been where the king kept his pet lion, or just simply paraded it for the benefit of prestige dignitaries. The lion was a symbol of Scottish kingship, you see.
That's what it's on the tag.
That's right, yeah. So that goes back, the first Scottish king that introduced that was King William I. He reigned from 1165 to 1240, quite a long reign, so that became the royal emblem ever since then. That's the royal standard of Scotland. But you also have the unicorn as a part of Scottish symbolism.
That's what on the flag.
That's on what's called the Royal Arms of Scotland. So they are the supporter of the arms. And the unicorn signifies honesty, purity. That's what supports the Royal Arms of Scotland, the symbol of the King and Queen of Scots. So going back to the palace here, one of the most remarkably preserved Renaissance buildings from that period in Scotland. However, it was much altered by the military, so internally it was just used as pragmatic purposes. So what you're going to see here is an interpretation of how the palace of Carlisle back in the 16th century. Just tapestries that show the hunt of the unicorn.
Right.
These are replicas, based on 16th century traditions that are held.
It's sporting the golds and the reds. Because I work for the Stuart family, the royal family of Scotland, I wear their colours. But as it's on the Queen's side, quite a lot of our servants will have their own colours. As depending on what side you go to. For the king, he would be Stuart colours. For the Queen, she would have her own colours and hers. And she was splurged out a bit. She spent quite a bit of money because she outfitted all of her servants in full black. And black is one of the hardest colours, if not the hardest colour to make. Because you need that over and over and over and over and over again to get a true black. So it's quite an expensive feat. She also, a few of them, especially the usher, he's sometimes around. They have 2 tassels on the side, one made of purple silk. The purple is one of the most expensive because it's quite tedious, quite hard to acquire. And it's also a very royal colour, it's a symbol of a lot of weight behind the colour. So the Queen herself should have many dresses made of full purple silk, but very, very expensive. But to show that some servants work for, they would have some purple to show off. Yes, the Albert. But you can feel how heavy it is, it's not too bad.
How does it feel? Is it
Yes, so
heavy?
this is what they would use back then. So originally, they would use this during the wars and the such, especially with the full plate nail. You can see the back end of my plate. So that would usually be done in the wars. But for the palace and stuff, you would just have the front, like the front plate, you should say. Because if you're being engaged by anyone, most likely you're going to face them head forth. As for the halberd here, I'll point out a few of his details. So the halberd is one of the most versatile weapons in the world. You're able to engage enemies at long distances. You just stretch out. You go this way, you can use the spearhead at far. If anyone gets a bit closer, you're able to grab it a bit closer to the top and able to use axe-wise. Anyone even closer to be able to bash them with a stick and pummel, strike them. Originally, it was a farmer's weapon. Say weapon, a farmer's tool, let's just say. So farmers would, if they want to trim the tops of their trees, they would use the famous axe bit to chop the tip top. But I use this to chop off limbs. The back end, the spike, farmers would use it to rake in leaves. I would use the spike to rake in armour and put in fences. And the spike, I would use it as a spear. So this is one of the best weapons to have indoors and for your guards. If you have a claymore or a wide or something big and huge, it's quite hard to use, especially indoors. Because it's swing, after you walk through the doorway, you can't swing it no more. The only thing you can do is thrust. If there's a big sword, it's quite heavy, there's a lot of metal to it. I have a much better weapon, it's much lighter, it's much easier to use.
Right. And this one here.
So this is my dagger. Everyone these days have a dagger, they're very useful tools. If I didn't have this, I would definitely be using a dagger indoors. Because they're small, because they're quick and simple, very simple, easy to use a dagger against a foe. I would also use this dagger for multiple things. I would clean my fingernails, crack my teeth. I would actually eat with 2 knives.
Thank you so much for watching part 1 of our Stirling Castle tour. Unfortunately, we couldn't put all the tour within one video, so stay tuned for the next video, and we're just gonna give you a little sneak peek to the next part of the video.
And his servants. I'm a lady in waiting to court of her grace.
Hello, Beatrice. Hello there. Now that you've explored the castle and everything, tell us, what do you think about the castle?
To be fair, first of all, I've enjoyed. It's better than expected. The views were magnificent. I think people will see, like when you were going up the stairs, and even inside the courtrooms and all the king's chambers and everything. There was just so much, and it was just so wonderful. And the craftsmanship. There's a room we entered. There was this. They say this